Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're doing this lovely door panel card using the Warm Welcome and die set. Online exclusive. Let's get started. So here's what you need to start with. A card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Basic white inside for 4 by 5 1/4. 3 of the door panels that are part of the dies here. 3 of these. Oh, sorry about that. And some extra for the sign. Some pebble path that I punched out the door. Let's see, the door hanger and the door handle. So I thought this would be really cute for a little baby card, and I'll tell you how that works. So went ahead and scored on there. We're going to go in here the inside, but let us do some stamping using the Memento ink. We'll do the welcome first. There you go. And then on the inside of the card, I thought this would be cute for a baby shower. It says little one. So let's go ahead and stamp and seal T on the top to remind me to put it away. I like to go around the corners. That's my design, my adhesive design. Those are the important parts. The panels right here, you have 3 of them. You're going to cut one to 1 1/2. So let me bring my trimmer in. So we're going to take this, measure it 1 1/2, just to simulate the door panels. Flip it over. Another 1 1/2. You'll have a little extra. But those are the bottom door panels. Then we're going to get some dimensionals. I put a little red on the release paper just so I know that where I took it off. I'm going to put some dimensionals here to pop them up to simulate the door panel. A few more for the last panel. And the fun begins in lining it up on the card. Oops. I only wanted the release paper on that one. So I like to release them all so I can do some positioning. Like I tell my friends and customers, it's not permanent until at least 24 hours. So there's some wiggle room. As long as you don't press really hard on the dimensionals, you still have some time to readjust, which is cool. All right, so let's bring our card back in to the top panels. We'll go ahead and kind of center it in there. Enough room. I'll lightly put on there. Take the 2 that you cut. I think I'm happy with that placement. Do a little adjustments to make sure. Press down. There. And then for the door hanger, We'll get some glue because it's really thin. And the only part that actually touches the door are the ends. Go ahead and hear the welcome. Right there. A little glue for the door handle. And that is it, folks. Let's put that back. What do you think? There you go. Welcome, little one. It's a nice little baby shower. And there's different phrases you could also use from the stamp set. Very versatile. And that's it. Thanks for watching my video. If you'd like, please like, comment, subscribe to this, and you'll see more of these video tutorials. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.